y equal to x, x equal to 0, x equal to 1. Now required area, integral over 0 to 1 f of x minus g of x dx, integral e power x, x square by 2, 0 to 1, that is e minus 1 by 2 minus 0 equal to 1 minus 0, that is e minus 3 by 2, that is e minus 3 by 2, fourth one. Next, y equal to e power x, y equal to x equal to 0, x equal to 1, that is e minus 3 by 2. Next, y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x, y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x. Points x equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2, x equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2. First of all, we can draw graphs of sin x and cos x in between 0 to pi by 2. In between 0 to pi by 2. X axis, y axis 0, pi by 4, pi by 1 minus. First of all, cos x, cos 0, 1 cos pi by 4, 1 by 2, cos pi by 2, 0. Sin x, sin 0, 0, sin pi by 4, sin pi by 2, 1. This part, this area in between y equal to cos x and y equal to sin x. This one, this one, this one. Okay. First of all, 0 to pi by 4. Upper term minus lower term. Upper term cos x, lower term sin x. Cos x minus sin x dx. Next, pi by 4 to pi by 2. Yes. Pi by 4 to pi by 2, sin x minus cos x dx, sin x minus cos x dx, integral cos x, sin x minus integral sin x minus cos x, upper term 0 to pi by 4 plus minus cos x minus sin x, pi by 4 to pi by 2. Sin pi by 4 1 by 2, cos pi by 4 1 by 2, sin 0 0, cos 0 1, cos pi by 0, sin pi by 1, 1 by 2, 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 4 1 by 2, 4 by root 2, minus 1 minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 minus 1, minus 2. That is 5 sin x area in between 0 to pi by 2 sin x and cos x. That is 2 minus, that is 2 into root 2 minus 1. Therefore, cutting point pi by 4. Therefore, this area plus this part. We get integral 0 to pi by 4. Upper term minus lower term plus pi by 4 to pi by 2, upper term minus lower term. Integral cos x sin x to sin x minus cos x, sin x cos x minus cos x, cos x sin x. Upper limit minus lower limit. That is 2 into root 2 minus 1. Y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x, x equal to 0 1, x equal to pi by 2. Okay now. Integral 0 to pi by 4 cos x minus sin x dx, pi by 4 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x dx. That is 2 into root 2 minus 1. Next, find the area within the curves mod x plus mod y equal to 1. Mod x plus mod y equal to 1, 6 1. Find the area enclosed. Find the area enclosed within the curve mod x plus mod y equal to 1. Very, very important model. That is x axis, y axis. If x equals to y equals x plus y equal to 1, x plus y equal to 1, that is 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1. If x equals to y negative or x negative y equals to, that is minus 1 comma 0. This graph is x plus y equal to 1. This is minus x plus y equal to 1. If both negative, 0 comma minus 1. That is minus x minus y equal to 1. X equals to y negative. X minus y equal to 1. Therefore, this area into 4. 4 into area of triangle OAB. That is area 4 into 1 by 2 half into base into height, right? Base 1 height 1. That is 2. Okay? Find the area equal to mod x plus mod y equal to 1. That is rhombus. That is rhombus. Area of the rhombus. Half into d1 into d2. Half into 2 into 4. That is 2. Half into product of diagonals. Half into product of diagonals. 1 plus 1. 2 into 2. Half into product of diagonals. 2 into 2. That is also 2. Here, mod x plus mod y equal to 1 is, first of all, x plus y equal to 1 line, that is in first quadrant. Second one, minus x plus y equal to 1, that is in second quadrant. Third one, minus x minus y equal to 1, third quadrant. Fourth one, x minus y equal to 1, fourth quadrant. This forms rhombus. Area of rhombus, half into d1 into d2, or 4 into area of a triangle, half into base into height. That is 2. That is problem number 7. Problem number 7, not 6. 7. Next, sixth one. Sixth one is say find the area of the region bounded by x equal to 4 minus y square. 4 minus y square. X equal to 0. Put x equal to 0 into the term, we get 4 minus y square. Y square equal to 4. Y equal to minus 2 comma 2. Curve is parabola. Okay, y square equal to minus 4ax form. X axis, y axis. Y square equal to minus 4ax form. What is that? It's y equal to minus 2 point of 2 here minus 2. Therefore, required area is 1. That is in terms of y. Therefore, area equal to integral minus 2 to 2 f of y into d of y. That is minus 2 to 2 x equal to 4 minus y square. That is f of y. That is f of y. 4 minus y square into dy. That is 4y minus y cube by 3 minus 2 to 2. That is upper limit. 8 minus 8 by 3 minus 8 plus 8 by 3. 16 minus 16 by 3. 32 by 3. Here w in terms of y, x equal to 4 minus y square. Therefore, integral f of y into d of y. Curve in terms of y, that is 4 minus y square. 4y minus y cube by 3. Upper limit minus lower limit because more minus minus square equal to 0, y equal to minus 2 plus 2. Parabola. With respect to x, negative part. Because y square equal to minus 4ax form. Therefore, minus 2 to 2, f of y dy. That is 32 by.
Second Roman, first one, x equal to -2 minus 5y minus 3y square. 2 minus 5y minus 3y square one card in terms of y's. And x equal to 0. Here x equal to 0. Okay. Substitute in x equal to 0. We get 2 minus 5y minus 3y square equal to 0. That implies 3y square plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0. That implies 3y square plus 6y minus y minus 2 equal to 0. That implies 3y common out. 3y, y plus 2 minus 1 common out, y plus 2. That is y plus 2 into 3y minus 1 equal to 0. That implies y equal to minus 2 comma 1 by 3. Therefore, area equal to integral minus 2 to 1 by 3 f of y. That is 2 minus 5y minus 3y square dy. Integral of 2y. 5y square by 2 minus 3y cube by 3. That is y cube. Minus 2 to 1 by 3. 2 by 3. 1 by 9. 5 by 18. Minus 1 by 27. Minus 4. Minus 10 plus 8. That is 6. 2 by 3 minus 5 by 18 minus 1 by 27. Okay. 343 by 54. 343 by 54. That is area of the curve 2 into minus 2 minus 5y minus 3y square x equal to 0. We can factorize, we get f equal to y equal to minus 2. Second one 1 by 3. Therefore, required area minus 2 to 1 by 3 f of y dy. Okay. That is 343 by 54. 4 by x equal to 2, y equal to 0. X square equal to 4y. Second Roman. X square equal to 4y. X equal to 2, y equal to 0. X equal to 2, y equal to 0. Substitute in equation x square equal to 4y, y equal to 0. We get x square equal to 0. That implies x equal to 0. X square equal to 4y graph. Parabola. X equal to 2. Y equal to 0. This part. Therefore, required area integral 0 to 2 f of x dx. F of x. Y equal to x square by 4. Y equal to x square by 4. Okay. That is x cube by 3. X cube by 12. 0 to 2. That is 8 by 12 minus 0. That is 2 by 3. Area of the curve x square equal to 4y, x equal to y equal to 0. That is x equal to 0. Integral 0 to 2. X means x square by 2. X square by 4, y equal to y dx. Here y dx. Before some x dy. Before some x dy. Here y dx. That is 2 by 3. Similarly, third one. Y square equal to 3x. X equal to 3. Third one. Y square equal to 3x. X equal to 3. Substitute in equation y square equal to 3x. 3 into 3, 9. Y equal to plus or minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3. Therefore, graph is y square equal to 3x. Y equal to minus 3 plus 3. Here minus 3. This area. Okay. Now area equal to integral minus 3 to 3 y terms, that is x dy, minus 3 to 3, x means y square by 3 dy, that is y cube by 3, minus 3 to 3, 3 minus minus plus 3, that is 6, y square equal to 3x, x equal to 3. Okay, minus 3 to 3. Upper limit minus lower limit. X equal to y square by 3. X equal to 3. Y square with minus 3 to 3. Y square by 3. Y cube by 3. That is y cube by 9. 27, 3, 6. Next, y equal to x square, y equal to x. Fourth one, y equal to x square, y equal to 2x. Y equal to x square, y equal to x. That's graph is x square equal to y, this one, y equal to x, this one. Now this area, here 0, this part. Equating y terms, that is x square equal to x, that implies x equal to 0 comma 2, 0 comma 2. Area equal to integral 0 to 2 f of x minus g of x dx. X cube by 3 minus x square, 0 to 2. 8 by 3 minus 4, 4 by 3. 8 by 3 minus 4, that is 4 by 3. Okay, y equal to x square, y equal to 2x, y equal to x square, parabola, y equal to x. Point of intersection of y equal to x square and y equal to x is 0 comma 2. Integral 0 to 2, upper curve minus lower curve, modulus of upper curve minus lower curve. That is modulus x square minus 2x dx, that is x cube by 3 minus x square. Upper number minus lower number, that is 4 by 3. Problem number 4. Next, 6 1, y equal to x square, y equal to x cube. Y equal to x square, y equal to x cube. Equating y terms, we get x cube equal to x square, that is x equal to 0 comma 1. Therefore area integral 0 to 1 x cube minus x square, that is x power 4 by 4 x cube by 3, 0 to 1, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 12, 1 by 12, that is 6 1, x square x cube, y equal to x square, y equal to x cube. Curve is y equal to x square, y equal to x cube. This area 0 to 1. Okay, x cube minus x square. Sin 2x, y equal to root 3 sin x, y equal to sin 2x, y equal to root 3 sin x, whereas x equal to 0, x equal to pi by 6, x equal to 0, x equal to pi by 6. Okay, that is y equal sin 2x, y equal to root 3 sin x. Equating terms, equating y terms, we get root 3 sin x. 2 sin x cos x minus root 3 sin x equal to 0. That implies sin x come out, 2 cos x minus root 3 equal to 0. Sin x equal to 0. Next, cos x equal to root 3 by 2. That is x equal to pi by 6, x equal to 0. Therefore, area equal to integral 0 to pi by 6 upper curve minus lower curve, or f of x minus g of x dx, sin 2x minus root 3 sin x dx. That is integral sin 2x minus cos 2x by 2 minus plus cos x 0 to pi by 6 minus cos 2 into pi by 6 cos pi by 3, that is minus 1 by 2 by 2 1 by 4 root 3 cos pi by 6 root 3 by 2 root 3 into root 3 by 2 minus into minus plus cos 0 1 by 2 minus root 3, that is 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus root 3. 2 minus 1 by 4, 8 minus 7 by 4 minus root 3. Sin 2x, second term root 3 sin x, 7 by 4 minus root 3. One curve sin 2x, okay, another curve root 3 sin x. Next one, y equal to 4x minus x square, seventh one, area enclosed by the curves y equal to 4x minus x square, y equal to 5 minus 2x, y equal to 4x minus x square, y equal to 5 minus 2x, 4x minus x square, seventh one. Equating given two curves, we get 4x minus x square equal to 5 minus 2x, that implies x square minus 6x plus 5, that is x minus 5 into x minus 1 equal to 0, that implies x equal to 1 comma 5. Therefore, required area integral 1 to 5 modulus f of x minus g of x 1 to 5 x square minus 6x plus 5 dx, that is x cube by 3 minus 6x square by 2, 5x 1 to 5, 5 cube 125 by 3, 75, 25, 1 by 3 minus 3 plus 5, 125 by 3 minus 75, 25 minus 50 minus 52, 126 by 3 minus 52, that is 120 by 3, 32 by 3, that is 32 by 3. Okay, first curve y equal 4x minus x square, second curve 5 minus 2x. Equating given two curves, we get x equal 1, x equal 5. Required area integral 1 to 5 f of x minus g of x dx. Next, find the area bounded by x-axis part of the curve and the ordinates x equal to x equal to 4. Ordinates x equal to x equal to 4, y equal to 1 plus 8 by x square. Ordinates x equal to x equal to x equal to 2, x equal to 4. That is problem number 8. Problem number 8. Area equal to integral over 2 to 4 1 plus 8 by x square dx. integral 1 x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 8 by x 2 to 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 8 minus 4 that is 4 y equal to 1 plus 8 by x square. Next, ninth one. Ninth one equal to y square equal to 4x, x square equal to 4y, y square equal to 4x, x square equal to 4y. Find the area bounded by x square equal to 4y, y square equal to 4x. Okay. Now, by equating y terms, that implies y equal to x square by 4. Substituting equation 1, x power 4 by 16 equal to 4x. X equal to 0, x equal to 64 power 1 by 3, 4. Therefore, area equal to integral 0 to 4 root of 4x minus x square by 4 dx. That is root of 4x. Root of 4x. That means 2 root x, x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, x cube by 3, 0 to 4, 4 by 3, 4 root 4, 8, 64 by 12, minus 0, 32 by 3, 16 by 3, that is 16 by 3. Y square equal to 4x, x square equal to 4y. This is from object 2 we get y square equal to 4ax, x square equal to 4by. Area is 16ab by 3. We use formula 16ab by 3. That is a equal to, here a equal to 1, b equal to 1. A equal to 1 because y square equal to 4x, x square equal to 4y. That implies a equal to 1, b equal to 1. That is area equal to 16 by 3. We are also get 16 by 3. That is area in between two parabolas. Upward direction and with respect to right side x-axis. This area is 16ab by 3. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 1. That is 16 by 3. Okay. That is ninth one. Find the area of log x. Y equal to log x. 10th one. Y equal to log x. Straighten x equal to e. Y equal to log x. X equal to e and x-axis. And x-axis. X-axis means y equal to 0. That is log x. That implies x equal to 1. Therefore, area equal to integral 1 to e log x dx. By parts rule. Log x integral 1 x. Log x 1 by x x. 1 to e. E minus 1 log 1 0 minus 1, that is 1. Log x, x-axis and x equal to e. X-axis and x equal to e. Okay na? That means x-axis y-axis 1 1 0. This is log x graph. 1 to e. This area. Okay na? Integral 1 to e log x dx. Integral of log x, x log x minus x. Upper limit minus lower limit. E log e 1, e minus 1 log 1 0 1 minus it minus plus 1. That is log x, y equal log x in between x equal to e and x-axis. X-axis means y equal 0. Where it is 0? It must be x equal 1. Then log x equal to 0. Therefore, integral 1 to e f of x dx. Integral 1 to e log x dx. Integral of log x by parts rule, log x into 1, log x into integral 1 x, x log x minus 1 x, x log x minus x, that is upper limit minus lower limit, we get 1. That is problem 10. Okay. That is problem 10, Roman number 2nd, 10th one. Okay, next Roman number 3rd, first one. Area. Find the area enclosed by the curves. Find the area enclosed by the curves. Y square equal to 4x and y square equal to 4 into 4 minus x. 4 into 4 minus x. These both are parabolas. Y square equal to 4x, y square equal to 4 into 4 minus x. First of all, point of intersection find out. That is 4x equal to 4 into 4 minus x. X equal to 4 minus x. 2x equal to 4. X equal to 2. Okay. X-axis, y square equal to 4 minus 4x. Here vertex is 4 comma 0. That means 4 comma 0. Next, y square equal to 4x. This part. Next point of intersection, x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Okay. Now we can find out x equal to 2. F of x minus g of x. F of x minus g of x. Okay. This part and this part. 0 to 2. 0 to 2 f of x, 2 to 4 this part, 0 to 2 y square equal to 4x, 2 to 4 y square equal to 4 into 4 minus x, area equal to y square equal to 4x one term, y square equal to 4 into 4 minus x, 4 into 4 minus x, okay. 2 part 0 to 2, 0 to 2 this curve, y square equal to 4x, y equal to root of 4x plus 2 to 4 this curve, y square equal to 4 into 4 minus x, root of 4 into 4 minus x, dx, root of 4x, that is 2 root x, 2 into root x, equal 2 to 4, 2 into root of 4 minus x, root x, x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, 0 to 2, root x, 4 minus x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 2 to 4, 4 by 3, 2 root 2 minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit. 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3, upper limit 0, minus 4 minus 2, 2 root 2. That is 8 root 2, 8 root 2. 16 root 2 by 3. That is 16 root 2 by 3. First of all, 0 to 2, this part, 0 to 2, root of 4x, 2 to 4, root of 4 minus 4x, is 16 root 2 by 3. Therefore, total area, down parts,
part equal to first part equal to second part. Therefore, required area double 2 into 16 root 2 by 3. That is 32 root 2 by 3. 32 root 2 by 3. Because 0 to 2 part this one, 2 to 4 part this one. Double. Same part. Downward sums. Of course, minus f of x, modulus minus f of x plus f of x dx. Therefore, double 2 into 16 root 2 by 3. First, this part area, point of intersection of y square equal to 4x, y square equal to 4 into 4 minus x equal to x equal to 2. This is parabola y square equal to 4 into 4 minus x with vertex 4 comma 0. Left side. This is general parabola, right side. Vertex 0 comma 0. Point of intersection 2. First, 0 to 2, this curve, y square equal to 4x. 0 to 2, y equal to root of 4x. Next, 2 to 4, this curve, y square equal to 4 into 4 minus x. 2 to 4, y equal to root of 4 into 4 minus x. Root 4 comma 2, x power 1 by 2, root 4 comma root of 4 minus x. X power 1 by 2, integral, x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Plus 2 into 4 minus x power 3 by 2 by minus 3 by 2, 2 to 4. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. 4 minus 4 0. 2 by 4 by 3. 4 minus 2 2. 2 power 3 by 2 means 2 power 3 by 2. 2 power 1 into 2 power 1 by 2. That is 2 root 2. 2 root. Here also 2 root. 4 by 3 into 2 root 8 root 2 by 3, 8 root 2 by 3, 16 root 2 by 3. But required area is double. Because upper part and lower part. That is 2 into 16 root 2 by 3. That is 32 root 2 by 3. Required area, which comes y square equal to 4x and y square equal to 4 into 4 minus x. That is problem number 2. Similarly, problem number 3, y equal to 2 minus x square, y equal to x square. Y equal to 2 minus x square, y equal to x square. X square. Y equal to x square. This graph y equal to x square. Y equal to 2 minus x square. That is x square equal to minus of y minus 2. Therefore, minus of y minus 2, that is 2 comma 0. Vertex is 2 comma 0. This part, this area. That is y equal to 2 minus x square equal to y equal to x square. 2x square equal to 2. X equal to plus or minus 1. This part is minus 1. This part is 1. Therefore, area equal to this part equal to 2 into integral 0 to 1 f of x minus g of x dx. 2 into integral 0 to 1, 2 minus 2x square dx. 2 into 2x minus 2x cube by 3, 0 to 1. 2 minus 2 by 3 minus 0. 2 into 4 by 3. That is 8 by 3. Y equal to x square. Y equal to 2 minus x square. Y equal to x square graph. Y equal to 2 minus x square. Of course, vertex 2 comma 0. The vertex 0 comma 0. Point of intersection of 2 minus x square and x square plus or minus 1. This part minus 1, this part 1. Area in between minus 1 to 1 bounded by curves 2 minus x square, x square. Now area equal to this part equal therefore symmetric about y axis, because symmetric about y axis. Therefore 2 into 0 to 1, 2 into 0 to 1, upper curve minus lower curve. 2 minus x square minus x square. 2 minus 2x square. That is 2x minus 2x cube by 3. Upper limit minus lower limit. 2 into 2 minus 2 by 3 minus 0. 2 into 4 by 3. Okay. 8 by 3. That is problem number 3. Similarly, problem number 4. Y square equal 12 into x plus 3. Y square equal 20 into 5 minus x. Y square equal to 12 into x plus 3. Y square equal 20 into 5 minus x. Y square equal 12 into x plus 3. Y square equal 20 into 5 minus x. Area is 64 into square root of 5 by 3. 5 minus x. 64. So that area equals 64 into square root of 5 by 3. Okay. Equating terms we get 12 into x plus 3 equal to 20 into 5 minus x. 12x plus 36 equal to 100 minus 20x. 32x equal to 64. X equal to 2. Now, this part matrix minus 3 comma 0. This part matrix 5 comma 0. X and y x minus 3 comma 0. Next 5 comma 0. This part 2. Okay. This part A. X equal to 2. Here also x equal to 2. First part minus 3 comma 0. Minus 3 to 2. This area. Area equal to minus 3 to 2. Y square equal to 12 into x plus 3. Y equal to root of 12 into x plus 3 dx plus 2 to this area. This part is 5 comma 0. 2 to 5 root of 20 into 5 minus x dx. Minus 3 to 2. This curve. Root of 12 into x plus 3. 2 to 5. This curve. 20 into root of 20 into 5 minus x. X plus 3, that is x plus 3 power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus 3 to 2 plus root 20 2 root 5 5 minus x power 3 by 2 by minus 3 by 2 2 to 5 2 4 root 3 by 3, that is 4 by root 3. X plus 3 power 3 by 2 minus 3 to 5 minus 4 root 5 by 3 5 minus x power 3 by 2 2 to 5. First upper limit 8 over 3 by 2 8 into root 8 minus 0. Next 5 minus 5 0 5 minus 2 3 root 3. Next 8 root 8 power 3 by 2 means 8 into 8 power 1 by 2 8 root 8, that is 4 into 8 32 root 8 2 by 3 root 3 minus into minus plus 12 root 5 by root 3 by 3 root 3. Okay. 64 into square root of 5 by 3 log. 64 into square root of 5 by 3 upper limit 80. Minus 3 to 2. Minus 3 to 2. 2 plus 3. 5 over 3 root. That is minus 3 to 2. 5 root 5. 5 root 5. That is 20 root 5. 20 root 5 by root 3. That is 32 root 5 by root 3. Only this part area. This part area. Total part is double. Required area equal to double into this area. Required area double. 2 into 32 root 5 by 3. That is 64 root 5 by 3. 64 root 5 by 3. Because first area minus 3 to 2 first term, 2 to 5 second term. Only upper side term, upper side area. Lower side area is same. Therefore total area is equal to double into this area. Double into this area. That is total area. Okay. First y square equal to 12 into x plus 3. Y square equal to 20 into 5 minus 2. Equate these two terms. We get x equal to 2. Therefore cutting point x equal to 2. First upper area or upper area. Okay. Upper area. Minus 3 to 2. This curve. Y square equal to 12 into x plus 3. Therefore square root of 12 into x plus 3. 2 to 5. Square root of 20 into 5 and 6 dx. Therefore, x plus 3 power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Minus 3 to 2. 2 root 5. 5 minus x power 3 by 2 by minus 3 by 2 to 5. Upper limit minus lower limit. We get 32 root 5 by 3. But total area equal to 2 into upper area. 2 into 32 root 5 by 3. That is 64 root 5 by 3 square units.